Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Zeeshan Hurmaz and I'm back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about KaraStar get listed on KuCoin world premiere. So I just want to give you complete detail about the KaraStar and all the related link about this one project you'll be getting in the video description. So you can check them all one by one before you start. A small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started regarding KaraStar. Basically, KaraStar are going to be listed on KuCoin, and you can see KuCoin extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to coming to our trading platform. KaraStar will be available on KuCoin. Supported trading pair will is Kara USDT. So means that if these projects are listed on KuCoin, so in that time you will be able to buy this one project with the pair of USDT. And if you look at the following schedule, you can see deposit effective immediately supported network is BP20. So means that this project is work on Binance smart chain. And if you look to trading will be alive on 12 May 2022. And if you look to withdraw will be on 13 May on 2022. So means that if you want to withdraw this one project from one exchange to another exchange, so you will be able to withdraw this one exchange on this one project on 13 May. And if you look to the tags, this is a game 5 2.0 and this is a DeFi project and this is a play and earn project. And there's some detail about the project of summary. You can see there's also total supply, market cap, and as well as you can also study about the circulating supply and volume in 24 hour. But I just want to give you a small introduction to this one project. You can see KaraStar is the play and earn game that is based on the BSC chain. This metaverse game empowers creators to build an ecosystem that is one of kind and long lasting. Invested at a different level can have a strong interest and value chain. Most of the income for small investor comes from others' wealth rather than the project party, which can avoid selling precious to a great extent. As a game FI 2.0 project, it connects social life with online gaming and earning crypto. This is a virtual step in the game FI, and people will leave their marks on history. The project of KaraStar then emerges as the time required under the effect of the interest chain constructed by the game FI 2.0 play and earn. And you can there's also hill there's economics model, complete game ecosystem, and abundant capital support. So this is a small introduction to this one project, and after that I just want to give you a small introduction about the main community of this one project. You can see if you look to the community is also too much better. You can see it is almost 98.7k followers, means that community is also too much better. So also there you can see they also the team is also too much active because they also gonna to do tweet on that because KaraStar get listed on KuCoin, and you can also see right over here. And after that I'm not recommending this one project at the listing time, but after the listing you will be able to buy this one project easily from KuCoin, and you know KuCoin is too much flexible than others. And because of if you look to the in the listing time, the project is too much volatile, so that's why I'm not recommended to buy in the listing time this one project. And right here you can also sign in the main this one project, and you can play this one game easily. And if you play this one game, you will be earn different type of NFTs and as well as tokens from their platform. Because you can there's also a dashboard of this one project. You can see right over here. You can also do a trading on the with the pair of BNB, as well as you can also do a farming in this one project easily. And as well as you can also study about the marketplace. I'm all told about that you will be earn different type of NFT from their sides. And there's some detail about guide, because you must be first of all know about this one game. If you play this one game, so you must be know about the guidance. And after that you can also study about the different type of news of this one project, because if you get a different type of news, you will be able to get a entry in the best time. So right over here you can also study about the news. This is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.